Did you know your gut health can significantly impact your mood and energy levels? It's a surprising connection that influences our daily lives more than we realize. Discover how maintaining a healthy gut can transform your well-being and vitality. Let's dive into the fascinating world of gut health together. Welcome to our journey into gut health, the cornerstone of our overall well-being. From digestion to mental clarity, a healthy gut plays a vital role. Today, we'll uncover its significance and introduce superfoods that can transform your health. Stay tuned as we delve into this essential aspect of nutrition. Many of us have experienced the discomfort of bloating and indigestion. These common gut health issues not only disrupt our routine, but also impact our mood and energy levels. An imbalanced digestive system often leads to fatigue and irritability, hindering life's enjoyment. Addressing these challenges is more urgent than ever. Ignoring symptoms can lead to long-term health consequences, affecting physical well-being, mental clarity, and emotional stability. Understanding these problems is the first step towards finding solutions that improve our lives. As we continue this journey, we'll explore how certain superfoods can restore gut health, offering a natural way to tackle these issues. By identifying these challenges, we can take proactive steps to enhance our overall health and vitality. Next, we'll uncover some of the most effective superfoods that hold the key to a healthier gut. Stay tuned as we embark on this path to better health through nature's remedies. In this segment, let's explore superfoods that can transform your gut health. Imagine kefir, rich in probiotics, restoring balance to your digestive system. Sauerkraut, with its tangy crunch, not only adds flavor, but also boosts your gut flora with beneficial bacteria. Then there's chia seeds, tiny powerhouses packed with fiber, aiding digestion and keeping things moving smoothly. Each of these superfoods offers unique benefits that can soothe bloating, enhance nutrient absorption, and improve mood and energy levels. Incorporating them into your daily meals is easier than you might think. Picture starting your morning with a kefir smoothie, adding sauerkraut to your lunch salad, or sprinkling chia seeds into your evening yogurt. By embracing these nutrient-dense foods, you're taking a proactive step towards better gut health and overall well-being. As we continue our exploration, stay tuned for the revelation of the most powerful superfood that can revolutionize your gut health journey. Join us as we uncover its secrets and hear a compelling story of transformation. Imagine a superfood so powerful it transforms lives. Meet bone broth, an unsung hero in the quest for optimal gut health. Packed with essential nutrients, bone broth works wonders on your digestive system, supporting everything from immune function to mood. Let me share Emily's story. She struggled with bloating and fatigue, feeling trapped in discomfort. Then she discovered bone broth. Gradually, she incorporated it into her daily routine, sipping a cup every morning. The change was remarkable. Emily's transformation is just one testament to bone broth's potency. Its rich collagen content helps repair and soothe the gut line, making it an ideal ally for anyone seeking to improve digestive health. This superfood revitalized Emily's life and can be a game changer for yours. As we delve deeper into the world of superfoods, remember how simple changes yield extraordinary results. Stay with us as we summarize these powerful allies in our next segment, guiding you toward a healthier, happier gut. To sum up, incorporating superfoods like kefir, sauerkraut, and bone broth can significantly enhance your gut health and overall well-being. Remember, a healthy gut is the foundation of a vibrant life. As you explore these nutritional powerhouses, embrace the benefits they bring. Stay tuned for more insights. We'd love to hear about your favorite superfoods or gut health tips. Share your experiences in the comments below, and let's continue this wellness journey together. Don't forget to check out our related videos for more insights and tips on maintaining a healthy gut. Let's empower each other towards better health.